everyone, welcome back to our Python interview preparation in 10-day series. This is day 9 and we are going to learn one of the most powerful topics in Python, regular expressions, also popularly known as regex. So regex is used everywhere, whether you are validating email address, checking phone numbers, extracting data from text file, searching log files or filtering user input. Regular expression make these tasks much easier. So in interviews, you may be asked to explain regex concepts or write simple patterns for validation. So in this video, we will learn regex from basics with practical examples and interview questions. So let's get started. So let's come first to the question, what is regex? Let's first understand what regular expressions actually are. So a regular expression is simply a pattern used to search, match, validate, or replace text. Think of it like a search template. Instead of checking every character manually, you define a pattern and Python finds all the matching text for you. As for example, let me give you a real life example. Imagine you are searching through a company database for all Gmail addresses. You don't know the exact email IDs, but you know that they all end with @gmail.com. So regex allows you to find them instantly using a pattern instead of checking each record one by one. So this is a very important interview question that you can get. What is regex? Now, if we ask why do we need regex? Without regex, you would need multiple loops and conditional statements to search text. So regex lets you to do the same with a single pattern. Commonly used for validating emails, passwords, phone numbers, searching log files, extracting numbers, extracting dates, data cleaning, like this. Now importing the RE module. Let us speak about the RE module. So what is this RE module? Python provides a built-in module called RE, which stands for regular expression. R stands for regular, E stands for expression. So you can get this interview question as well. Which module is used for regex in Python? The answer will be RE. Now let us first come to match, the match function. This. Now what is this match function doing? Checks whether the pattern exists only at the beginning of the string. Here the string starts with py, so the match is found. If the pattern appears later in the string, match won't be found. So let us just run the Python file and see. Yes, we can see match object. So here we are finding out the match. What if the match, if the text would have been different? Say suppose I am just Python. See, I am getting none. So the match is not found. So this is the issue and this is what it helps us with. Now, when should we use match? Match is used when the pattern must appear at the start of the string. Next up we have, let me just comment it out. We have search. So search scans the entire string and returns the first match it finds. Unlike match, the pattern can appear anywhere. It cannot, not necessarily at the beginning. So let me just run this Python file. Yes, see. We have found a match and we can see the output. So what are we searching for over here? Whether this text is there or not. Here we were checking whether it's starting with py or not. But here in search we can search if it is present in anywhere in the string, not just at the beginning. So this is what a search does. Now speaking about the difference, match checks only from the beginning whereas search searches the whole string. So match is faster for prefix matching, whereas search finds the first occurrence anywhere. So wherever Python will be occurring first, it will show us that. Next up we have find all. Let me just comment out this. Yes. So findall returns a list of all matching occurrences. It is useful when you need every match instead of just the first one. So let us just run this and see what output we will be getting. So we are getting 3. We have taken 3 text and we are getting add in all 3 of them. So that's why we are getting this output. So what is it doing? It is basically returning a list of all the matches that it is finding. Next up we have is finditer. Now finditer also finds all matches, but instead of returning a list, it returns an iterator of match objects. Let us see what is the difference in between the outputs that we will be getting. Here also one thing is about to be noticed, that we have used a for loop. So see, this is returning us with an iterator. At 1 we are getting at 5 and at 9. So this let us access additional information like position of each match. So this is what is addition about finditer. Now comes what is the difference between findall and finditer. So findall returns a list of match strings, whereas finditer returns match objects with extra details such as position. Next up we have is split. Now dot split divides the string between the pattern matches. Here the comma is used as the separator. Okay, so let us just run this Python file and see. Yeah. See, we have got the text over here and it is splitting all 3 of them with a comma. So this is what split does. Next up we have is sub. Now sub replaces matching text with a new text. This is very useful for cleaning and modifying data. Let us see the output and understand how. So let me just run this. See. So what is it doing? It is replacing the matching text with the new text, isn't it? So it is first searching for the text Java, then it is replacing it with Python. This is what a sub does. Let me comment out this. Then we have metacharacters. Regex becomes powerful because of special symbols called metacharacters. Now let us understand it one by one. So full stop matches any character except a new line. Exponent is the start of the string. Dollar is the end of the string. Star is the 0 or more occurrences. Plus is 1 or more occurrences. Question mark 0 or 1 occurrence, and third bracket is the character set. First bracket is the group patterns, and this is the logical OR that we already know. And then we have something called character classes. Python also provides predefined character classes. What are those? Those are escape characters that also we know in Java as escape sequences. So slash d matches any digit, slash capital D matches any non-digit, slash w matches letters, digits and underscore, slash s shows matches white space. You can try out the example for each one of them. Let us come to quantifiers now. Now quantifiers tell regex how many times a character should appear. Say suppose a star, that means this means 0 or more. If it is a plus, what does this mean? 1 or more. If it is 0 question mark, then it means 0 or 1. If it is, say suppose like this, then it means exactly 3. This means in between 2 and 5 times. Next up we have email validation. Now I have used some of the very common things that we already use. So let us see how can we validate an email. So let me run this Python file and see. So what are we doing over here? This pattern checks if the email follows a basic structure. Say suppose a username. So this is a username, then at the rate, then the domain, then a dot, and then the extension. So whether is it following that pattern or not, depending on that, it is going to return me a true or a false, a boolean value. So I am printing a boolean value. So the email that I have started over here, so it is having a username, it is having at the rate symbol, it is having a domain, it is having a dot as well, and it is having the extension. So all the cases are matching, so I am getting a true output. Next up we have validating a phone number. Now how are we validating this phone number? Let us see. So this pattern checks whether the number contains exactly 10 digits and nothing else. So I am checking the number of digits whether it's exactly 10 or not using /d. Let me just run this program and see. So yes, this number is having 10 digits, so it is showing us with a true output. Now let us move on to the next one. The next one is extracting numbers. So I have a text over here, and yes, so this extracts every number from the string. It is for extracting numbers. Let us just see the output. So it is extracting whatever numbers are there, 1, 2, 3 from here, 4, 5, 0 from here. So we can extract numbers in this way. In this one, we are extracting words. How is it? See, wherever it is getting these words, it is extracting those. So this is how we can extract text. Now some common mistakes that people usually make are like forgetting the import module, confusing match with search, not using raw string for regex patterns. Raw string is very important. Forgetting to escape special characters like dot, addition, multiplication sign. Now I have listed some of the interview questions for you all. And I have listed a interview tip as well for you all. So congratulations, you have completed day 9 of our Python interview preparation series. Regex may look difficult at first, but once you understand the patterns and practice a few examples, it becomes an incredibly useful tool for solving real life problems and interview questions. I encourage you to try the practice exercises from the video and experiment with your own patterns. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, and with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. In our day 10 video, we will come up with another important interview topic. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.